Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of the 22nd to the 28th of June. You have the full week to do these deals curbside, and when you have $1.36 Cottonelle and Venus, do I have your attention? Do I have your attention? I think a lot of us are probably really excited about these curbside deals. And just to explain it for all the new shoppers out there, you're putting your order in through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. And that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup because you can use little discount codes. A lot of people prefer to shop this specific way over at Walgreens, but there are no register rewards involved. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that wants to be in store, you want the register rewards, you want to look around, you don't like ordering stuff through your phone, you want to see what they have, and so on and so forth, I recommend that you watch yesterday's video where I did a bunch of different matchups, including a $35 basket. I will link it at the very end. One last thing before we dive into the deals. There have been a lot of items in that summer aisle, where they have all of the bug spray and pool stuff, like all the summer stuff in the center of the store. A lot of the cookies and food have been clearancing out at 50% or 75%, including these breakfast Belvita crunchies for $2.99. Ibata has $1 back with a limit of up to 5 times. It would make this product $1.99. Look for it on a higher part of the shelving, but I know a lot of you are probably looking for quick breakfasts, especially if you have a bunch of kids running around. This potentially can be it for $1.99. So when you go pick up your order from curbside, look for these cookies as well if $1.99 is a stock-up price for you. So the first deal that we're going to look at involves this guy, which is a 7 back when you spend 35. It's valid last week and this week. So if you have it, you have it. Not every account got it, so it's kind of a your mileage may vary. But we're going to toss this booster into the deal. And what we're going to grab, guys, is one of these Gillette men's razors for $12.99. Now, my account, for whatever reason, the last couple weeks got a whole bunch of like $5 coupons. And there's one for that one, and there's one for this ladies one as well for $9.99. All of these Gillette products have very high value coupons, and they're part of a spend 30, earn back 10. This cream we're also going to grab, and then just to get the math to balance, for $35, we're going to throw in one of these $5 toilet papers. And now I have that dog. Now I have this, which is a 3 off of 1 for the shaving cream. Hopefully you have the same coupons as if you do the same deals. And then I have 2 of these 5 off of 1s for the ladies and the men's, which is kind of bizarre, but I have like $10 of coupons. Just to show you, 5, 5, and 3, don't use the code WAG10 because we're dangerously close to $35, and it could be a bit messy with the spend 30, earn back 10. So it's $35.47, $13 melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $24.60. As you're using a couple different spend offers like the booster and then the spend 30 to earn back 10 on P&G. So this basically makes it super uber cheap, not factoring in the tax. It's a heck of a deal. You're paying like $1.36 per product, which is a stock-up price for these items. Okay, so the next deal that we're looking at involves Ibata. We're grabbing all items with the Ibata app. The first is the men's Dial body wash for $5. Unfortunately, we have no digital coupons to pair with them, but Ibata kind of makes it great. We also have the ladies body wash, I guess it's a unisex one, the spring water one. So $10 right there. But just to get the math to really work for us, we're also going to throw in something else that includes a clearance hemp's lotion. So for this one, just type in hemp's, exactly like that, and clearance, and see what populates at your store. This is exactly 50% off. Now, just to show you why this is absolutely fantastic, for both of the dials, $1.50 back for the ladies one. It's a limit of 1 time. And then the men's one, we also have $1.50 back. So these are both like really nice rebates. That's $3 back. And then for the hemps, you're also getting back $4. So not too shabby. When you're doing your transaction, when you go pick it up, ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you can get a physical receipt for Ibata. You absolutely need it. to get your $7 back. Using the code WAG10, we're getting exactly $1 off. And then just to show you guys, $20.99, $1 coming off, a bit of tax. If you want to use $20 in Walgreens cash, if you may have it, go for it. And then you're getting back $3 for Dial, $1.50 back for the ladies and the men's, and then $4 back from Hemp's. So that's $7 back. Not a bad deal if you like these lotions and fancy body washes. I mean, why not? The next deal I kind of had a bit of trouble with. It is the Nivea. 3 of these for $15. There's some sort of coupon code that you can toss in. I could not get it to apply, so you probably will have to call customer service to get them to credit you $1 because it's in the app. It's just not working. We have this digital coupon, which is a 4 off of 3. So make sure you have this friend loaded. And this is where I came into trouble, guys. That extra $1 off when you buy 3 Nivea bath care with the code BATH wouldn't apply for me. I don't know why. I could not get it to work. I tried everything. Would not work. So maybe you'll have better luck than I. I don't know. So throwing 3 of these into my cart, it's $15. $4 off, so $11.90. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it, and you're going to earn back $5 in Walgreens cash because it's a buy deal. You can certainly use your Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it for this one. And hang on to your receipt because if Ibata populates a rebate for these body washes in the next week, post when you go pick them up, I mean, that might be some more money down the road. Final deal that we're looking at is deal number 4. It's 2 of these Vitafusions for $13.99. On a buy one, get one 50% off. Alternatively, if you want to go with multivitamins, it's a little bit more, but this is the cheapest one that they have. And we have a 10 off of 2 digital coupon. Always some savings, and I know a lot of you really love the Vitafusion supplements. And we have a 10 off too. Make sure you have this guy loaded. It expires on the 5th of July, so we have a couple weeks to use it. Even if you don't want to do the deal this week, just hang on to it. Now, to get the math to balance, I wanted to throw in this pretty predictable 1 single roll of toilet paper. I have enough in my basement to make a wall. I have so many of these. I'm just joking. And then just to show you $10 melting off and then $1.18 using the code WAG10. The overall total is $21.77. WAG10 taking $1.18 off. $10 manufacturer, so $10.63. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay 63 cents and call this a heck of a basket. That's it for this video. If you want to shop in store, watch the video linked right here, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.